In a quiet hall where the candles glow, a young boy walks with steps soft and slow, holding a censer in trembling hands, joining a ritual he barely understands. Smoke curls upward in a silver stream, carrying prayers like a fragile dream. Though his role seems simple and small, he serves with reverence that touches all. Learning through service, step by step, humble hearts in the roles they accept. Even the smallest task can shine when offered with care that feels divine. In the gentle glow of sacred air, meaning grows in the work we share. Beside the priest in the hallowed space, he finds his rhythm, he finds his place. Each quiet motion, each careful turn, teaches lessons he's meant to learn. Patience settles in his young heart as he plays his growing part. For every role holds something true, and every act has purpose too. Learning through service, step by step, humble hearts in the roles they accept. Even the smallest task can shine when offered with care that feels divine. In the gentle glow of sacred air, meaning grows in the work we share. A humble step can hold the sacred